A serious wreck causes the driver's death and a serious injury to our client. All right, I'm Shane from Shanesmithlaw. We're here today to discuss one of our client victories. One of our attorneys, Tim Lewis, just recently got a great client victory for our client, JW. Tim, tell me a little bit about JW's case.
JW was a backseat passenger in the vehicle where the driver of that vehicle ran a stop sign and hit the side of a building. The driver was killed as a result of the accident, and the other passengers was severely injured, JW being one of them.
That sounds awful. It sounds like just a terrible wreck.
Yes.
How was JW injured?
He sustained a broken nose, fractured tailbone, head trauma, soft tissue injuries in his neck and back.
Okay. Has he recovered, or is he still injured?
We've not had any contact with him because he was arrested, unfortunately, and incarcerated shortly after the accident. He had no treatment but the emergency room.
Wow. And what kind of result were you still able to get?
We were able to get the policy limits in the case. We were able to work hard and secure the limits for him just based on his injuries.
What did you learn from this particular case?
That we could still get the policy limits, work hard for the clients, even though wasn't treatment after the accident. The fact that he sustained severe injuries as a result of the accident, we were able to get all the money that was there for him.
Okay, and how were we able to get it resolved at the end if we didn't have good contact with him? Did he appoint somebody who we could work through as a power of attorney?
Yes, his mother, we were able to deal with his mother, get everything handled through her.
Okay.
So she was in constant communication with him while he was incarcerated, and we were able to go through her.
So it sounds like it was just a little more cumbersome, a little more difficult because, he had to get her appointed to sort of resolve things for her.
Absolutely.
And then take through that.
Yes, absolutely.
Well, it sounds like despite all that, you were still able to get as good a resolution as you could for JW. It sounds like you were able to take all the money on this policy that we could.
Yes.
And so it sounds like the best result we could get for him.
Yes, and it all ended very well because everything that was there, we were able to secure it.
All right. Thanks for listening today. This was a odd sort of case, not something we normally see, but even though with the difficulties of that, Tim was able to get a great result for our client JW. I definitely call that a client victory. Remember, if you're in pain, call Shane 980-999-9999 or order our free book online, The Victim Survival Guide to Car Accidents. You can find that at shanesmithlaw.com. Next week we'll be going over another case. Please hit subscribe to stay on our list and see that.
980-999-9999 980-999-9999 Shanesmithlaw. In pain, call Shane.